Oh, can I say it? I feel like a Puerto Rican. I feel like a sexy Puerto Rican in this here. Rican. What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. It's your girl Mika Lynn, and here we are. We're gonna jump right into this. Big thank you to CurlsCurls for sending out the girl of the hour. If you are interested in checking out their information, direct link for purchase, everything will be in the description box down below. Most importantly, definitely make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Ring the bell. If you have already rung it, ring it again, because YouTube playing in my face. Said it once, I'm gonna say it again. Definitely drop me a comment down below. Share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now, let's get into the lady of the hour. Ow.
Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', a GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone.
Ooh, child. One day, just one day, I'm going to convince these companies to send me some 14, 16, maybe some 12-inch curly units. This is an 18-inch, so if you would like to see a shorter length, drop it in the comments down below. It will help me, help the channel, help me, help you. So yes, off the bat, we could already tell that this is more of a kinky curly texture. She is full, baby. She is thick with it and has a lot of volume to her, but she's still lightweight. And I do appreciate the fact that they do give you a middle part preset already there for you. So for my ladies who like to pliggity plop her on, they got you covered. So we're gonna go ahead and get the styling. Not too sure what I'm gonna do. I may do a braid out, twist out. We may leave her all natural. I don't even know yet. I don't know.
We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', a GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it.
Listen, these curls were made for slaying, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these curls are gonna slay all over you. But wait, there's more. I came across something that I'm a little excited about. This is by As I Am, and this is their curl color. If you have heard of this, if you've used it, drop it down in the comments. I would love to know your experience with it. I'm literally about to show y'all. This is definitely a 3-step process to install this wig. I did go ahead and glue the ear tabs down. Next, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Bronze Palette. It's a star on this channel. And I'm just going to apply the bottom shade to the lace right up top. Nothing too crazy. Alright, that's good. Good. First step, I already have my edges kind of pulled out. I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and I'm just going to make some really small cuts. Play with that on the side. Do the same over here. Okay, I lied. One more step. I'm going to go in with this Strictly Curls Curl Enhancing Styling Foam. Not a lot, just a little. Just a tinge. And I'm gonna place it right where I see the lace at, just so we can get it to lay a little flatter. Go ahead and zap it with my blow dryer. You was expecting another side part, huh? All right. I had my worries. I thought we was Rick Jameson it for a minute. Oh, I think they like me. It's time to add some color. So I do want to just kind of test the waters on the tips, and we'll see what we get. Whoa. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I had to call in some reinforcements. My daughter's actually going to hand me some pieces from the back. Maybe I should have did this on the mannequin head, but I'm glad that I'm doing this in real time so you guys can actually see how easy this is, even if you're by yourself. Oh my god. Does it look natural on me? Do I look like redonkulous? No. Okay. So if you saw me in public, you'd be like, oh, her hair cute. Oh, she all cute and stuff. Oh, she all cute. I bet you that's all her hair too. Ooh. Did you say something like that? Yeah. Ooh, y'all heard it. You hear it here first. You hear it. She said it. Oh my god, give me life. Give me life without parole. Listen, I feel like I gotta dim myself down, you know what I'm saying? Just so all this crown and glory can get all this spotlight goodness. So a couple of honorable mentions with this particular install. Listen, I thought I was in love with that red even lace spray. Baby, the black can is the bee's knees. Now this is the same, but it has 20 times hold for lace and sweat resistance. Hello forehead. You can kind of see a little bit of a line of demarcation, a little bit clockable depending on where I turn, but hey, what do you expect when it's glueless? She's talking back, baby. Hello. And I think the hairline, oh my god, the bee's knees. Listen, no plucking, no tweezing. I didn't bleach anything. I barely did any like swoopity swoops. I just pulled some hair out as you saw and just kind of kept it nice and wispy. You could push this back if you wanted to, just to get it out of your face, or pin it, you know, up like this, and you are gonna have a very unclockable look. This looks so freaking good. Now, as far as the curls holding up to the test of time, baby, they are delivering. Hercules. So you already know how I feel about the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss. Now, twisting the ends of this unit, I did get a little bit more shedding than I wanted to, and it's still full, it's still moisturized, it still has a lot of body, baby. Now, going in with this temporary color, be aware that it does transfer a little bit. I do have some on my neck and my shoulder. It can get on your clothes. That's questionable, may stain a little bit, but if you get it on your skin, it washes off quickly with soap and water. This looks really good. Even with temporary color, it has very light hold. This is not crunchy, this is not drying, and I think it looks so dang good, baby. Ow. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by CurlsCurls, direct link to their store as well as the direct link to this wig will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, please. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud.